They have a tattoo.
Let me see. Where is it? Oh, okay. You want in the box?
Yeah.
Do you want me to open the box?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what's in it though. Do you know what's in it?
Yeah.
Not shut for now.
Doesn't sound like we can open the box though.
Yeah.
No. Oh, red envelope. What is it? Are you sure that's for us?
Has my name on it.
Okay, then I think we can open it.
We're gonna open it. What is it?
I don't know. It's very bizarre. A gift for you. David, thank you so much. The panel was impressive and well seasoned. The table guests were delightful. Peace, Jean Meeks.
Send me a gift? Wow. What is it, guys?
Does that make good noise? See if you can find something in there. Keep looking.
What'd you guys do today? Did you see any dog? Did you see any
Did you
doggies?
get hit in the face, Pumpkin?
Reed, did you see any doggies today? What is it?
It's for your desk. It's a photo album. You can put pictures in there.
Who can I put pictures of in there? Riley.
What is that, Riley? Is that a box? What can we put in the box? Can you put balls in the box? Yeah, you think you can? Oh, they fit perfectly, don't they? I wonder how many balls you can get in there.
This one.
Oh, you think so?
About 20, you think? Reed's gonna help you put some balls in the box. He's not gonna take it from you, right? He's just gonna help you.
Reed, why don't you put some balls in here? Or in this box? Put balls in there. I know, that box is cooler, huh?
What's up, Reed? Daddy's shoes?
Does Daddy have shoes on? What, does Mommy have shoes on? No. Does Reed have shoes on? No. How about Riley? No.
Does Sammy have shoes on? Does Daddy have shoes on? Yes.
What do you want to do with this?
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye to the camera.